Hey babe, it is time to refresh my hair. My black is literally fading away and it's need a refresher. So you already saw I'm going in with my Dark and Lovely. This is the Fade Resistance. It says it will last 8 weeks. The last time I refreshed my hair, it was back in October of 2023. So I'm just now refreshing it. I was able to find some grays in my hair. It's like right in the middle, just 1 or 2 little strings. That is it. Not much, right? Go in with the Jet Black 371 with an applicator. It has a moisturizing mask and the color. So all of these come together, all right? All of this. I'm just gonna untwist the top here. Put the top on. As we're letting this sit, we're gonna go in with some cocoa butter to put around the edges because we want to protect our skin, all right? So this is what it looks like. In a little bit, it will be a little black, all right? Just gonna put it around the edges. Make sure you put it around your hair, your hairline and your ears. Protect all of that, come down. All right, so once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and get our gloves because we don't wanna mess up the nails, okay? So your girl just got her nails done. 2. And if you're wondering how many months am I am 11 months post Big Chop. Why does it feel like one glove? What in the world? Oh, come on. I can't even get it. Like, my black dye should be just about ready. So we're gonna protect the shirt. I got on Selena. All right, so we don't wanna mess her up because I love my girl Selena, right? Okay, surround me. Okay, so she is about ready. She is done cooking, so she is obviously black. Hold on, there we go, bang bang. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, let's go. All right. So I'm just gonna get the roots in and make sure I get the front because the front still had like a little bit of color. I don't know if you guys, I didn't even post it, but the color was ridiculous that I was trying to do back in October. Like, I was trying to do red and it did not turn out right at all. Embarrassed, but maybe if I have a clip I'll share it, but if I don't, it's probably a good thing I don't share it. All right, so I just want to make sure these edges are good and black. All right, so let's go ahead and get the rest of the hair. My hair is getting so long, like I'm having to like portion it out. That's just a little, but it's not that serious, but I mean, it is. I have been wearing my hair in a stretched out style. I kind of like that better than wearing my hair curly. I don't know, for some reason, I'm not liking the whole curly look. I don't know. Before, I used to want to wear my hair curly all the time. I would buy all the different gels and just go crazy, spend all kinds of monies on these gels. And then I have to turn around and wash my hair in about, 3 days, or I have like this residue all on my fingers. And when people like to touch your hair and all that other stuff, and then it's like their hands are like greasy, or it's like a whole bunch of residue, like it's just too much, right? So I just been wearing my hair in a stretched out style. I just twist my hair every single night. And the products that I've been buying is basically coming from Burlington. I didn't even show that Burlington. I should have showed it. I don't know why I didn't, but I went to Burlington and bought some products. I need to share that. My hair is so thick in the back and long. Like, you see how long it is compared to the front? Like, yeah, girl. I have a little bit left. So I still got this side to do. Dig all in between. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Just put it on my hands and make sure I get everything. And don't forget on the side of your ears, okay? See, I gotta get all that. See, I was about to miss that whole row, that whole section. All right. I forgot to put grease on the ends right there. All right, so I am done putting it in. So I'm gonna wait about 20 minutes. I'm going with the cap and then go from there.